Farmyard Hullabaloo by Giles Andre and David Wostalgic. Early in the morning, as the sun begins to rise, the pigs are feeling hungry and they're snorting in their sties. The rooster wakes the farm up with a cock-a-doodle-doo. The sheepdog won't stop barking and the cows begin to moo. There's a stomping in the stables and there's pleating in the barn. So let's climb aboard the tractor and explore this noisy farm. Cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, I'm the rockin' rooster, baby. Tell me, who are you? We chickens are covered with feathers all over our wings and our legs. So of course we could fly if we wanted to try, but we're too busy laying these eggs. Sometimes I moo while I'm chewing. I hope you don't think that it's rude. But mooing and chewing are what I like doing. Do you moo when you chew your food? I am the farmer's old sheepdog, his faithful and loyal best friend. I've been by his side from the day I was born, and I'll stay with him right to the end. Hello, I'm the big barnyard kitty. I sleep in the shade of the house, but I always keep one eye half open to spot every passing plump mouse. I love taking care of my piglets and watching them wiggle and squeal. They clamber all over each other all day to snuffle around for a meal. It's wonderful being a donkey. I simply spend hours and hours just wandering around on the soft, grassy ground, sniffing the sweet-smelling flowers. I've got these funny floppy things that hang down from my neck. They dangle when I gobble, and they wobble when I peck. We waddle about in the barnyard and make so much noise when we talk that wandering goslings rush out of our way as we babble and cackle and squawk. I've got gorgeous fluffy fleece, which makes me very proud. So I skip around my meadow, make-believing I'm a cloud. I sometimes hang out by the sheep pen, chuckling into my beard. Sheep often think that they're better than us, but goats never need to get sheared. There's nothing like hay when you're hungry. I'm happy to munch a whole bale, but sometimes I stop for a clippity-clop or to flick a few flies with my tail. I love to snort steam from my nostrils. It makes me look angry and tough, and then I start scraping my hoof on the ground if that isn't scary enough. I wait in the woods until nightfall. Then down to the barnyard I creep, but nothing looks quite as delicious as chickens who've fallen asleep. I always hunt at nighttime and I sleep throughout the day. Ter-wit, ter-woo, you'll hear me cry, out searching for my prey. Now it's nighttime in the barnyard and the moon is shining bright. It's time to leave the animals and wave them all good night. The cows are feeling sleepy, so they settle on the ground. It won't be very long now, so they're sleeping safe and sound. The horse is in his stable and the hens are in their shed, but the sheepdog's fallen fast asleep inside the farmer's bed. Let's check for understanding.